Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to share with you the recipe of Narkel Diye Cholar Dal or Chana Dal with coconut. So friends, first of all, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And if you like my recipe, please like the video friends. Chana Dal with coconut or Narkel Diye Cholar Dal is a special Bengali version of the Chana Dal and it's a very common in Bengali houses. This is no onion and no garlic dish and is mainly eaten with luchis or rice. So let's start our recipe. We need Chana Dal. I am using here 1 cup of Chana Dal. Soak the Chana Dal in water for 1 hour. After 1 hour, drain the water and transfer the soaked dal in pressure cooker. Add 2 cups of water. Now pressure cook soaked chana dal for 5 to 6 whistles or till it turns soft. Take care that the dal does not become too mushy. Cut the coconut in small pieces. Now heat 2 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pan. Shallow fry the coconut slices till it turns golden in color. Once done, keep aside. Heat 1 tablespoon of mustard oil in a pan, then add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now add bay leaves, whole red chilli, cumin seeds, cinnamon and green cardamom. Saute till cumin seeds change color. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add all the dry masalas. Cumin seed powder, coriander seeds powder, chili powder, turmeric, salt and sugar. Mix well and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Finally add the boiled dal to the pan and let it come to a simmer. Add green chillies. Add fried coconut pieces. Cook the dal for 5 to 7 minutes more. Now add Bengali Garam Masala. For Bengali Garam Masala's recipe, please check the description box. Our Narkel Diye Cholar Dal or Chana Dal with coconut is almost ready now. Serve hot with luchi or puri, steamed rice or roti. If you like my recipe, please like the video friends. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.